Royce Residence is a luxury apartment in Kuala Lumpur City Center. I've stayed at 3 different apartments at the Royce. You'll see 3 different layouts of the apartment. I'm Sean, Queen of DC, full-time solo traveler. On this channel, I post my travel tips and adventures from around the world. If that's your vibe, subscribe. This is a new building, and one thing about luxury buildings in KLCC, they will make sure you have a stunning view and excellent amenities. I moved to an apartment on the 36th floor, but it had some new apartment issues that needed fixing. The dryer wasn't working, and I could hear the drain. They relocated me to a new apartment the next day, and everything was perfect. This is the second apartment, same layout, different decor. Kuala Lumpur has an apartment for every budget. Check out my best budget hotel and apartments video linked above.
It's been waiting for the right day, like the right day ever comes. Now it's Friday, and nothing's changed. Mistakes that everyone is making, but I can't change. I'm stuck in reverse like an old Benz. Forgot to tap it up. Now I long for another day where things fall into place. So if you're down, I'll be down. Pack your bags, fill them up. We can go tonight, take a flight to a higher ground. How does that sound? How does that
Check out my video linked above on the Star Residences, which is the 2 gray buildings next to the Petronas Towers, another luxury building. Being able to enjoy a luxurious bubble bath in a comfortable and cozy bathtub is simply wonderful after a long day of travel. If you didn't already know this, Petronas Towers is one of my favorite landmarks. It's gorgeous, whether day or night. I'm always on the balcony admiring its beauty. This is apartment number 3 with the new apartment issues. I moved out the next day. I don't prefer this layout. There's no balcony and I need a view of the gorgeous Petronas Towers. This apartment is smaller than the other two apartments. Let's head to the rooftop, my favorite place. If you enjoy my videos and have gained value, please contribute to Buy Me a Coffee. The link is in the description box below. Thank you for your support. Living here was delightful. It was peaceful. I had access to fantastic amenities, a gym, including a balcony with a stunning view of Petronas Towers, a swimming pool, and gorgeous rooftop view. This is my balcony view during the Chinese New Year, and they celebrate all night long. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Hit that bell for notification of new videos. Until next time, peace.